Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here, and welcome to the new update on Siacoin. As in my earlier videos, we have been watching that Siacoin is once again rejected by the resistance of a very big broadening rising wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart, and this was my last video. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after this rejection from the resistance of the broadening rising wedge pattern, it is once again read the support. And you can see that previously, let me just show you this move on the daily time frame chart. You can see that whenever it was moving to the resistance of this broadening rising wedge pattern, it was getting bounced like it was happening here. We got rejected, and when we tested the support here, then almost got rejected and moved very close to the support. But this was a bigger pump, and you can see we got rejected here. We had another dump here, and the price then moved down at the support. Then we had another pump, and that was bigger than the previous one. And then we had another dump that was bigger than the previous one and tested the support here. Then we had another bigger pump, and the price then reached resistance and dropped down here again. And now here, this time we had another very, very huge pump, and the price then ejected and dropped down at the support. And recently on a 4-hour time frame chart, you can see that we have found this short-term support of $0.009230. That is slightly above than this long-term support of $0.0085. And you can see that recently this level has been working as a support here, and now for the past several hours, the price and is getting accumulated above the support and the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this huge breakout from this very, very huge down channel and from this symmetrical triangle as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for SIA that I shared in the previous month of January on 11th of January 2024. That was a harmonic bullish reversal setup, a harmonic bullish reversal Gardley pattern that Siacoin formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. This was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone, and below $0.0071 was the stop loss, and the buying range was from $0.0078 and goes to $0.0071. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 75% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And after that, the price then accumulated here sideways. And then we had another very, very massive rally. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Siacoin, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And previously you can see that since after the month of March 2021, it was moving inside this quite long-term down channel. And when it was moving inside this channel, in those days, I've been telling you that once it will be able to break out this long-term channel, then we can expect a very, very massive rally to the upside, a long-term rally. And before the breakout, you can see that from the month of November 2022, we also found another uptrend line support. And this support was the reason that the price line was not testing the support of this bigger down channel. You can see we had a bounce here, we had another bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here. And this was the last bounce that was happening here in the month of October 2023, in the second week of October. And then we had a very, very massive pump. Now, if I place this measurement tool from this low when we were testing the support of this channel here up till this current high, then you can see that so far it has rallied more than 984%, almost 1000%, but could not break out this long-term resistance of broadening rising wedge pattern. You can see whenever it is testing the resistance of this wedge, it is getting bounced and forming higher lows and higher highs. And this time, if the price line will be again bounced from this support, then it can form another higher than previous high. By the way, before that, we will also need to break out this quite long-term support of 2.5 cents as well that has been previously working as a resistance here, and support here. And again, it can work as a very, very strong and long-term support. We also have a quite long-term support here at $0.0085 that has been previously working as a support here for several weeks. And here, by the way, it has been working as a resistance, not here, sorry, here it has been working as a support back in the month of Feb 2021. Therefore, again, it can work as a nice support. And before that, recently we have also found another short-term support here at 0.0093 923 dollars that had been previously working as support here, and now for the past several hours or days, it is working as a very nice support. And you can see that the price line is getting accumulated above this support of this broadening rising wedge pattern. Therefore, we need to keep an eye on these supports, like this support of 0.009230 dollars and the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern and the support of 0.0085 dollars. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout that is happened on this 7 days time frame chart from a very big down channel, that technical target is here at the top of this channel. That is between 6.5 cents to 7 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.